Welcome. If you've been wondering how to make sure you never miss a notification from your friends on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. Today, we're walking through the simple steps to enable friend notifications on Snapchat, an updated method to keep your social circle just a tap away. First, grab your phone and head straight into your device's settings. This is where all your app controls start. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Apps or Applications, depending on your phone's brand. Tap on that, and a list of all your installed apps will appear. Scroll through until you find Snapchat. It's usually easy to spot with its iconic ghost logo. Tap on Snapchat to access its specific app settings. In this menu, the next step is to select Notifications. This is where you can control what kind of alerts Snapchat sends your way. Now, tap on Notification Categories. Here, Snapchat breaks down notifications into different types so you can customize each one. Among these categories, look for one labeled Friends. This is crucial because enabling notifications here ensures you'll get alerts when your friends send snaps or messages. Finally, toggle on the option that says Allow Notifications under the Friends category. Once that's switched on, your phone will start delivering friend notifications from Snapchat right to your lock screen, notification bar, or wherever you typically see your alerts. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll stay connected with your Snapchat friends without missing any important updates or messages. Remember, keeping your notifications enabled helps you respond quickly and keeps your Snapchat experience lively and engaging. So next time you want to check in with your friends or see their latest snaps, your phone will notify you right away. Thanks for watching.